Ever wonder how a magnificent crocodile becomes a stunning luxury handbag? Well, today, you're in for a treat. Welcome to our state-of-the-art leather facility, where tradition meets technology. I'm going to take you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour, showing you every step of the journey, from a raw, powerful hide to a piece of high-fashion art. Ready? Let's dive in. Our story begins right here, at the farm. This isn't just any farm, it's a meticulously managed environment designed to raise healthy, thriving crocodiles. We have rows of spacious ponds where these incredible animals swim, bask, and live in a controlled, low-stress setting. Our expert teams are on-site 24/7, monitoring everything from their diet to their health. This careful attention is the first and most crucial step in ensuring the highest quality hides. Only mature, healthy crocodiles that meet strict criteria are selected for processing. This selection is done with immense care and respect for the animal. Our drone shots really show the scale of this operation. It's a massive, self-contained ecosystem dedicated to sustainable and ethical farming practices. This commitment to responsible sourcing is the foundation of everything we do. Once the hides are ethically harvested, they are brought inside our processing facility. This is where skilled artisans take over. The first task is to carefully remove the skin. This is a delicate process that requires incredible precision to ensure the hide isn't damaged. You can see the focus and expertise in every single movement. Immediately after removal, the hides are thoroughly cleaned and then salted. Salting is a traditional and highly effective method of preservation. It draws out moisture, which prevents any bacterial growth and keeps the hide in perfect condition before the next stage. After salting, the hides are organized onto racks and moved to a temporary storage area, all ready for the transformative tanning process. Now we're moving into the heart of the factory, the tannery. This is where the real magic happens. Tanning is the ancient art of turning a raw, perishable hide into durable, long-lasting leather. Here, the hides are submerged in large vats filled with a special solution of tanning agents. These agents permanently alter the protein structure of the skin, making it strong and preventing it from decaying. To ensure the tanning solution penetrates every fiber of the hide evenly, they are placed into huge rotating drums. Think of them like giant, slow-motion washing machines for leather. This constant, gentle tumbling massages the hides and guarantees a uniform and consistent result. After this stage, our technicians perform rigorous checks, measuring the thickness and feeling the texture to make sure each hide has been perfectly tanned. Once tanning is complete, the hides are soaking wet and need to be dried. But you can't just hang them out in the sun. They're moved to climate-controlled drying rooms where temperature and humidity are precisely managed. This slow and steady drying process prevents the leather from becoming stiff or cracking, preserving its natural suppleness. While they dry, the hides are stretched. This can be done by hand or with the help of specialized machinery. This step is vital for ensuring the leather maintains its shape and doesn't shrink. It also helps to smooth out the surface and enhance the beautiful, natural scale pattern. Just look at this close-up. You can see the unique texture of each individual scale shining under the light. It's truly a work of natural art. Now for my favorite part, adding color and personality. The tanned and dried hides, which are a pale, neutral color, are now ready to be dyed. They can be transformed into any color imaginable, from classic blacks and browns to vibrant reds and blues. The dye is applied meticulously to ensure a rich, even tone that sinks deep into the leather. Special brushes are then used to enhance the definition between the scales, making that iconic pattern really pop. After dyeing, the leather goes through a series of finishing and polishing machines. Rollers and buffers work over the surface, creating that signature high gloss or smooth matte finish you see on luxury goods. This final polish not only looks incredible but also adds a protective layer to the leather. Before any hide leaves this area, it undergoes one last, intense quality control inspection. Under bright, unforgiving LED lights, every square inch is examined for any imperfections. We're looking for absolute perfection in color, texture, and finish. Only the flawless hides, the best of the best, earn the right to be used in high-end fashion products. From the finishing department, the perfected hides move to the cutting room. Here, they are laid out on large tables, measured, and then precisely cut into standardized sheets. These sheets are destined to become luxury handbags, shoes, belts, and wallets. Each cut is planned to maximize the use of the hide and showcase the most beautiful parts of the scale pattern. Finally, the cut sheets of leather are carefully packed. They're wrapped to protect their perfect finish and then placed into crates for shipping. From our factory, these crates travel to the world's most prestigious fashion houses and design studios. And that's the journey. From a living creature cared for on our farms, through the hands of our skilled artisans and the hum of our advanced machinery, to a finished material ready to be crafted into something truly extraordinary. As our trucks roll out, they carry more than just leather, they carry a story of craftsmanship, quality, and respect. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. I hope you have a new appreciation for the incredible work that goes into creating these beautiful materials. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive behind-the-scenes content. See you next time.